Okay, I'm falling. I'm falling.
Haha, bitch.
Okay, we're on. This is another taste test. American Girls Taste Test. What are we tasting today?
Drinks and snacks.
We also got this whole thing in whenever you want to tackle that.
Oh, good lord.
We got tons of food.
I better get a Pepsi. You're gonna kill me. Ew!
Did my cat do it again?
Yes!
Of course she did. Okay. So where do you want to start?
As my pants are falling down.
So we know that they are not her flesh, or that it's just flesh colored pants.
Let's start with... You want to start with drinks? We have a lot of drinks.
Sure, let's get drunk. I'm putting those over there so you can just move the drinks over and...
Okay, so if I don't drink this, I have a drink to take to work.
Yep.
Okay.
This one really just doesn't want to be in there. Good thing it's tea. Ugh. I guess we're doing this one first.
Yeah, we'll do that one first.
It is raspberry peace tea.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
What the hell's a raspberry? Is it supposed to be raspberry?
Yes, but it's their name for raspberry.
Oh, that smells weird. That smells like a raspberry, but slightly artificial.
Smells like fucking cough syrup.
You want purple?
Yes.
I love the fact that she likes my favorite color more now than I do.
That was my mom's favorite color.
Not bad, but not great.
Tastes like cough syrup.
I've had worse cough syrup.
What are you gonna do with that?
Probably drink it. It's not too bad. It's not too good. Fuck ton of sugar.
Let's do Georgia peach.
Okay. Because you know I hate peaches. And yeah, I picked this out.
Do I have to tell my cat you don't like her anymore?
Well, the other one behaves more. I mean, come on. You thought she was going to claw the hell out of me when I touched her hairball? And she's just like, eh.
She has her moments.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll put that down here. Dakimasu.
I like that.
I hate peach tea, but
That's good.
for peach tea, that is good. You got peach tea.
No, because I know which one I really want. I don't know if you're going to like that one. And if you end up liking that one, then I'll take the peach.
You'll be taking the peach anyways.
Why?
Wait, this is another peach tea.
That one's Georgia peach. This is just peach.
This is Arizona peach.
They're both Arizona.
How are they both Arizona? That's peace.
Arizona owns the rights.
So, are we just getting different name versions of this?
I don't know. I've never had peach.
This is going to be interesting. It looks different. You can see this one's a lighter color. That's kind of tastes like the syrup that the peaches are in. So the peach one is better than the Arizona one. Sorry, Arizona. The company you bought has better tea than you. Okay, which one do you like? You want to see if you think you're gonna like this one.
No, I love that one.
Oh, you love Arnold Palmer.
It's half iced tea, half lemonade.
And ow.
Why are you being a crybaby?
Because I was pulling at my nail.
That's why you get nails to do it. Unlike me, who broke a nail.
I don't like having nails. I'd rather use a spoon.
Oh, so you'd rather break a spoon?
Yes. You know, this is my grandma's favorite drink.
That's pretty sad.
What, did I know that? Or that this is her favorite drink?
Both.
This is not a very good Arnold Palmer. I've had better. The tea is too abrasive.
I like it. Now is that mine?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Can I have it now?
Yeah.
I guess I don't have to open up the soda. Guess I'm taking a soda to work.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, this one I had high hopes for because it says fruit punch.
Let's see if our hopes go up or down.
Fuck, I should just get a spoon
Stick your nail underneath.
and have it rip my nail out.
It didn't rip mine.
Oh, you have, I don't know.
Looks like grape. Smells like grape. Ew. What the fuck did I just drink?
Oh, I got it everywhere. It tastes like the bottom of the
I like this one better.
fruit cocktail mix. You know, that's syrup.
I don't like it. Your high hopes went down the fucking drain.
And all over me. This is the other one I had high hopes for. Strawberry Kiwi, Arizona.
Woohoo! She finally opened one.
It still hurts.
Stop being a crybaby.
Ah!
That's a good movie. Don't ruin it for me.
What, meh?
No, crybaby.
Looks like piss.
I'm not even gonna ask what kind of piss you're looking at.
Rather pink piss.
When someone has their period.
Oh. Okay, I choked and I didn't get to taste it because I was too busy laughing. Where the hell is it?
Tastes like ass.
Tastes like ass, you say?
I say it tastes like ass.
Tastes like nothing. You get a slight flavor, and that's it.
Because it tastes like ass.
Do you even like kiwis?
No.
That's why.
I have high hopes for this one.
And I don't. It's watermelon.
I'm hoping I like this one. I'm having high hopes for this one.
Shut up.
Looks like the other one.
Yeah, it looks like the one we just drank.
So we're drinking more piss.
Yep. Pink piss.
I actually like that.
That's rather confusing.
It tastes good.
It tastes like a cross between fake watermelon and real watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't know what watermelon it wants to be.
But it's still good.
Yeah.
Having high hopes for that too.
I'm not. Arizona at
Energy.
RX Energy Herbal Tonic. Says a bunch of stuff. Kind of makes me think I'm going to drink something that shouldn't be drunk.
Drink.
There.
Smells good.
Ugh. Smells like grapefruit.
I like grapefruit.
Tastes like grapefruit medicine.
It tastes really good.
No, it don't.
It's got citrus fruit, ginseng, something root, vitamins. I got another one I like.
Tastes like something I had when I was a kid.
She has high hopes for this one too.
Mango always rocks. And oh my god, that's a terrible aftertaste taste. Mango!
Well, I got two.
Why does it have a skull on there?
Because if you read it, it says mucho.
But are mangoes Mexican?
No, but I believe they're from Arizona. Smells good.
Looks like a colostomy bag. No, wait.
A colostomy bag is for your shit. I should know. I used to have to clean one out.
All right.
For someone I work with.
All right. It looks like the other bag, the one that holds the pee.
You mean a catheter?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan.
The aftertaste is stronger than its natural taste.
Exactly. That's why I don't like it.
It's like sugar water.
All right. Next one.
I wonder what this is going to taste like if I mix all these together.
Mix it with ice. Try to make ice cream out of it. Aloe Vera drink 1 health and hydrate pure natural pulp pineapple.
I'm in hell. Okay, gotta shake it up.
Gotta shake it.
That's
shake,
what it looks
shake,
like.
Shake it. Shake, shake, shake it. Shake, shake,
It
shake.
looks like Jello.
Shake what your mama gave you. Just shake what your mama gave you.
I already know you like these. You said it.
Mm-hmm.
That burns.
No. Listen, if you like aloe is a good source to help you lose weight.
No, that one burns.
It tastes really good. Let me guess, you're giving it to me to take to work with me.
Have fun with that one.
You're lucky I brought a bag in. The next one is regular aloe water.
This one gonna burn my throat too.
That's just aloe.
It looks like gel.
Alright, so aloe helps with skin, nails, and sunburn.
I know.
The benefits of it is natural aloe vera pulp, natural flavor, enriched with something antioxidant and non-GMO.
This is also terrible. It doesn't burn, but it tastes terrible. The ones we had before were better.
It depends on the brand.
Okay, so
My verdict is my diet half and half from Arizona, the energy one, and all the aloe vera. All the other ones I believe can kiss my ass because they suck balls.
I think they all suck. I guess this ends our beverage taste test.
Oh, goddamn.
We'll see you in the next one.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.